and which type of operators are using in multi-row subqueries were discussed here. Okay, so what kind of what we call as the operators which was using under multiple row subqueries that we discussed in the last session. Okay, let me go for so some examples on multiple row subqueries. Okay, let me see guys here. The first example we will discuss here. So first example, write a query to display a list of employee so display list of employee whose job is same as the job of same as the job of the job of the employee Smith, comma clerk. Okay, so in this example, so what is our requirement is guys here to display list of employee whose job is the same as the job of the employee Smith, comma clerk. So Smith clerk in which job they are working. Okay, in the same job, if any other users or other employees are there, so those employees data or those employees information I have to display. Okay, now this is our requirement. Okay. So first of all, we want to find out the job from EMP, okay, where E name is equals to Smith and E name is equals to Clark. So what is my first requirement guys here? There's two employees in which job, these two employee jobs I need to find out first of all. Okay, these employee jobs are clerk and manager. So your subquery returning more than one value. Your subquery returning more than one value, right? So that is what we can go to check out here. Now, on this subquery statement, now display the list of employee whose job is same as this job. Suppose if I'm using equal operator, but equal operator we are using for only single value comparisons, right? So it was giving error. Subquery return more than one value so that it is not permitted when subquery follows so and so operator. Okay, these operators are we are not permitted to use whenever the subquery returns more than one value. Okay, so that's why don't use equal greater than. Okay, then I'm using in operator. So already in operator we discussed in the basic classes, and now we can see. So Smith working as a clerk working as a manager, and reminding people whatever the information is displayed. The remaining people also same as and same job, right? Okay, so this is what we called as guys here, whose employee job is same as the employee Smith or Clark. Okay, that is in operator we can use it. And the next example, for example, write a query to display employee who are getting maximum salary from each job wise. So who are getting maximum salary from each job wise, I need to find out guys here. Okay, so in this requirement, first what we want to do, first we need to find out the maximum salary from each job. Okay, first I need to find out maximum salary from each job. So how to find out maximum salary from each job means, we already know in the previous classes we discussed job max of salary from EMP table. What we need to use guys here, group by job. So your group by why I'm using means, I want to find out maximum salary from each job wise I need to find out. So that is the reason I need to use here, okay, group by class. So first of all, the group by I'm using each job by is a maximum salary, whatever it was there in the table that we find out first of all. So in analyst job, maximum salary 75,000, clerk 86, manager 59, president 90, salesman 74. So total there are 5 jobs, and from 5 jobs, each job wise maximum salary sir, we are going to be finding it. So on this result, on this result, okay. So on this result, now I need to find out who's these employees who are getting this maximum salaries. Now I need to write here, okay, the select star from EMP, where your job wise maximum salary. So that means where salary here in operator. Why I'm using in operator means, we have here, okay, multiple values or more than one values returns. So that's why I want to use, okay, I want to use what now, in, and to execute it now. So now we can see in analyst job, the first one, the Scott employee 75,000. In manager job, clerk employee 59. In salesman job, highest employee 74. President King 90,000. And fraud clerk, so 86,000. So each job wise, which employee is getting highest salary? So those employees information is going to be displayed. So like this in operator we can use guys here, whenever your subquery returns more than one value, at the time use your in operator, right? Now in the next one, any and all operators are there. But first of all, we want to discuss about what is any and what is all. So first come to any. Any operator, how it was going to be returning value means, it returns a value any one condition, or if any one value is, if any one value is true, is true in the given list of values. So any means in the list so many values are there. In the list so many values are there. In the so many values, if any one value is satisfied, okay, if any one value is satisfied in the given list, then it returns some value. Okay, for example, suppose, let you see guys here, x is equals to or x greater than, I'm giving like here any x greater than any of some list of values I'm passing 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, right? Now here I'm passing, suppose x value, x is equals to 40. So that means in place of x, if I'm giving 40, then this x value 40 is going to be comparing with the list of values. So in this comparison, if any one value is satisfied, okay, the given conditional value, then it returns true, otherwise returns false. So how it is comparing means, so 40 is greater than first value comparing 10. So 40 is greater than 10. So that means first value condition is true. Next, 40 is greater than, okay, 20. So this condition is also true. Next one, 40 is greater than, okay, so 30. So this condition is also true. That means in the list of values, how many values are there in the list? How many values are there in the list? Okay. Okay. So all values are here true. So 40 is greater than 10 is correct. 40 is greater than 20 is also correct. 40 is greater than 30 is also correct. So all are true here, guys. Okay, na? Right. So that means all are true means it returns true only. The next, for example, x is equals to 0, 9 I was given. Now in place of x, if you substitute 0, 9, now we can see, now compare here. 0, that means 9 is greater than first value 10. So 9 is greater than 10, it is a false. Next, 9 is greater than 20, it is also false. So next, 9 is greater than 30, it is also false. So that means any one value is true, then return value, but here all are false now. So then there is a false. Then there is a false. Understand? If any one value is true, then returns true, but all are false means false. Next, in the same pattern, x is equals to, suppose some number I'm giving 25. So now when this 25 I substituted here, guys, here. Now you just check out here. 25 is greater than 10. So condition is true. 25 is greater than 20. Condition is true. 25 is greater than 30. Condition is false. But any operator, what it was telling, if any one value is true, then returns true. Okay. But here two values are true here. Yes or no? So that's why it returns true only. It returns true only. So this is guys any operator. This is guys any operator. Okay. Next all operator, what it was telling guys here, it returns it returns value if all conditions are true. If all, it returns value when when all when all values are true in the given list of values. In the given list of values. So here all means in the name only there all means what now, each and every list of values should be going to be going to be satisfied in the given list, then only written, otherwise not written. So same example, let you see guys here. I want to take now same example. If I'm taking now, let you see how it was working this all operation on same values. And now here in place of any, I'm using all. So first one, I'm going to taking here 40. Okay. And now let you see the 40, I'm going to comparing now. 40, I'm going to comparing here. So now here 40, I given here, substituted here. So 40 is greater than 10. Okay, is true. 40 is greater than 20 is also satisfied, true. 40 is greater than 30. This is also satisfied, true. So all are true, true, true. Then of course, all are true means here all operator is satisfied, all. So then it returns true only. Okay. Next, if I want to give here 0, 9. Okay, if I'm giving 0, 9. So 0, 9 is greater than 10. Is it what now? False. Greater than 20. It is also false. Greater than 30. It is also false. Okay, so all are false. Then it is also showing as false only. In the same to same 25, if I give an x value 25, then let you compare here. 25 is greater than 10. True. 25 is greater than 20 is true. But 25 is greater than 30 is false. But all operator is telling what now? Each and every value in the list compulsory true. Then only true and written value. But here two values are true, one value is false, then it is false only. Then it is false only. So this is the way guys here, how to comparing the list of values, okay, by using of all and any operators. By using an all and any operators, right? And let you see example on this. Write a query to display employee whose salary is more than any of or any salesman salary. Any salesman salary. Okay now. So the question understand now. So what I'm asking here. So write a query to display whose salary is more than any salesman's salary. Okay now. The first of all, what we want to do. So first we need to find out salesman salaries. I need to find out. Right. So now I'm going to executing here. Salesman's total Total salesmen are, suppose here I will take job also, because some people confused here. There are 3 salesmen are there. These 3 salesmen salaries are 74, 38, 64. Right? So now the total 15 employees are there in the table. The 15 employees salaries, I need to check each and every salesman's salary. Suppose if any one salesman's salary is satisfied as per our given requirement, then it returns true and the value also returns. Okay, the value also returns. Okay, now? Right. So this is inner query we taken out. Now outer query we are writing select a star from EMP where salary is greater than any of inner query. Any of inner query. Let me go and execute. So now see almost out of 15 employees, 9 employees are satisfied here. If any one salesman salary is satisfied, then it returns. Okay. So first is 74. The 74 is more than, okay now. So here if you want to understand this inner query, first I will execute it now. So inner query result I will be take it now. I will take it inner query result. Same how we explained here, same it will be explaining now. 74,000, 38,000, 64,000. Okay, how many values? 3 values. So in these 3 values, which employee satisfied, that employees are displayed. So now, one of the employee salary, if you want to see, 74. So any set 74 greater than 74 false, but 74 is greater than 38 true. 74 greater than 64 true. So this person satisfied. Next to 47. 47 is greater than 74 false, but 47 is greater than 38 true, and this is false. So like this, any one value is going to be satisfied. Any one value is going to be satisfied in the given list of values, then it returns true. So that's why you are using what now? Any operator. So any of these 3 values, satisfied, then it returns true. Okay, now that how I was comparing here. So how I was comparing here, each and every number, same as it is, you can compare. Same to same. Another example. Write a query to display whose salary is more than all salesmen's salaries. All salesmen's, that means each and every salesman's salary must and should be satisfied. Okay, now? Right. Then how it is. So in this same scenario, but just a simply operator, I'm changing here all and to executing now. So each and every salesman I need to satisfy means only 3 people are satisfied. 74, 90, 86. So these 3 people only satisfied each and every salary of salesman. This is called as a all. So in this way, you can find out here any and all, how it was going to be used in our subqueries. Okay. And these are also we are using under multiple row subquery statement. Okay. Right. And the next one is, observe, the next requirement is correlated subqueries. So this single row, multiple row, we completed in non-correlated and correlated. But correlated subqueries, why we required how to use means. One of the problem we discussed in the last session. So this is your problem. Yes or no? If you want to find out nth salary, then we need to write n plus 1 queries you need to write. But this is very, very difficult to the users to write these many queries. Yes or no? Yeah. So how to overcome this problem? Okay. Let you see. To overcome this problem, we need to use a correlated subqueries. So correlated subquery definition in the starting class I was given. In this correlated mechanism, first outer query is executed and return some values. Based on outer query return values, later inner query will be or will execute and produce the final result. So this is quite opposite mechanism of non-correlated. Okay, so the definition is this one, right? Now, but now what are the problem we find out in the previous non-correlated to finding nth highest salary? So that how to overcome that problem means observe syntax to find out nth highest or lowest salary. So what is the syntax for correlated to finding nth highest or lowest salary? So first the syntax I will give it, carefully observe. Select star from table where n minus 1 is equals to inner query. Select count of distinct. Distinct means duplicate values are not counting here. Column name from table name, and your alias names are compulsory. We should create a table alias name 1. Table alias name 1. Whereas from table name, and here I want to say table alias name 2. Okay, now, but only single table, 2 aliases created. Where table alias name 2 dot column name of less than is representing lowest values, greater than is representing highest values. Okay, na? As per requirement you can do. So later table alias name 1 dot table alias name 1 dot column name. So this is only one syntax, guys, here, and the syntax you can use it to find any nth highest or any nth lowest salary. Okay, from your table, any nth, either first highest salary, third highest salary, 30th highest salary, 150th highest salary, 1000 highest salary, any position. N means any position. The any position of highest salary or lowest salary, both you can find by using of a simple correlated subquery. Okay, right. And now how this subquery, the correlated subquery I need to write here. Observe. Suppose, first of all, I'm creating one sample table in our database MyDB6. So create table EMP33. So EID, ename, a small table I'm creating for easily understanding purpose. Salary, money. This is one table we designed, guys, in MyDB6 PM database tables. Refresh and EMP33 table. Fine. And 2. I'm inserting some data into this table. 1021, the name is Sai, 25,000. 1022, the name is Helen, 18,000. 1023, the name is Ward, 8,000. 1024, the name is Miller, okay, like 64,000. 1025, the name is Scott, the amount is 48,000 rupees. 1026, the name is uh, Jones, the amount is 64,000 rupees. So this is a small table, guys, here, and having total 6 employees and the 6 employees information we have. Right now on this EMP33 table, now I want to use my correlated subquery to find out nth highest salary. Right? Now we can come out and see. So the table I'm just following now. Select a star from EMP. This is our table, guys. On this table, I need to perform here my requirement. The first example, write a query to find out. Write a query to find out the first highest salary employee details from a table. Okay, now. So write a query to find out the first highest salary employee details from a table. Okay, by using of a non-correlated. Okay, we already know. Now we can use correlated. So a simple, very simple, and whatever the syntax is there, just I'm following the syntax, guys. Just I'm following the syntax. So what are the syntax once recall? Select a star from table name, table alias name 1, where n-1 is equals to select a count of distinct column name from table name, table alias name 2, where table alias name 2 dot column name less than or greater than table alias name 1 dot column. Okay, now this is our syntax. I just follow it this one. Select star from EMP33. Okay, E1, where here n-1 actually. n-1 is my formula actually, right? But guys, you can see n-1 means here n is equals to how much here? First highest. First highest means, can I say n is equals to 1? Yes, I can. N is equals to 1. Yes, I can. We can say n is equals to 1. And this n equals to 1 value, I need to substitute in this formula n-1. So that means what it was happening, guys. If n is equals to 1, then our formula n-1. In n-1, you can substitute 1 minus 1. And 1 minus 1, you can say 0. Right? Now, so in place of n-1 now, in place of n-1, now what I want to take it here, 0. Right? So now I'm taking in place of n-1, 0. 0 is equals to inner query. Select count of distinct, so duplicates are not counting purpose, and the column is salary. Okay, now I'm passing from EMP33 E2. So where E2 dot salary is greater than symbol E1 dot salary. Right? So it's a simple subquery, guys, to finding any nth highest salary. To find out any nth highest salary. And let you see to execute this one. The first highest salary, we got it or not? Yes, we got it. The first highest salary, there are 2 employees are there, 64, 64. That means Miller and Jones. Miller and Jones. These two employees are getting same salary. So that means the both employees are first highest people. Right? Now, suppose if I want it second highest. Second highest means n equals to 2. Then you can substitute your 2, and 2 is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. So you just change your n minus 1 formula here, 1 only. If I'm giving n minus 1 plus 1, then it is the second highest salary employee getting. Who is the second highest salary? 48,000. Right? Suppose you need a third highest salary, then n is equals to 3. And you substitute your 3 value, 3 minus 1. And 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. And now let you come out. So in place of 1, if you say 2, then third highest salary employee is getting. Suppose you need a fourth highest salary you required. Then fourth highest salary purpose, what I want to do? Now n is equals to 4 now this time. And 4 minus 1. And 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. And the 3 I need to substitute in my n minus 1 formula 3. Then I will get the fourth highest salary employee. So very simple, guys. It's a very, very simple. You're just changing only n minus 1 formula, remaining all are same to same. Suppose the people are asking 30th highest salary they wanted. Okay, then 30th means how much I want to give? 29. So 30th highest means I can give 29. That's over. Remaining query is same. In the same to same, there are 75 highest, 74, 1024, 1023, 2004, 2003. So any nth highest salary you can easily find out. There is no need to write multiple queries. It's not necessary to write a multiple queries, right? So instead of writing multiple select queries, okay, 31 times, 40 times, 50 times, why should we want to write that many times? Or instead of going to do that was simply we can use this correlated subquery. So in this way, you can find out first means first, second means second, third means third, any nth highest salary you can find out. But your question is, sir, how this query is internally working? That means mechanism, internal execution mechanism is very, very important for us. Right? If that mechanism, if you understand, guys, here, so suppose you understand that mechanism, then it's very, very easy for us. Okay, so that's why let us see complete internal execution mechanism. Let me check out. So first of all, I will go for whatever the query is there. Whatever the query is there, the query I'm going to take now, guys. Okay, now, right. So now we can see, first of all, whatever the query request we written, the request we need to first take out here. So this is our query request, guys. Okay, now this is our query request. So next, what we want to do here, we all of you know E1 and E2. These are the two aliases, and we all of you know when you create alias name on a table, internally some virtual, okay, one virtual table is going to be designed. So here, on the name of E1, on the name of E2, there are two virtual tables are designed. So having some columns, here also having some columns. So this is E1 and E2. The two aliases I was taken. So EID, E name, and salary. In the same pattern, same table, so there is no change. EID. Now, okay, so now I will be take here. Suppose I'm taking here, this is E2 alias table. And this is, I will take it here, E1 alias table. So whatever the data was there, the data also I want to take now. What is my information here? This is our information about salaries. So I will take it salaries information, right? I'll come back here. So here also, I want to take it as is salaries, right? So this is E1 and E2, the salaries information we are storing. I just keep it now. And another one is what now? So n minus 1, the 0 how it is came means, I already explained to you. Okay, I already explained to you. The 0 how it will be coming out, let us see. So the solution of 0, how it was came means, the solution of 0. We said n is equals to 1 because we are finding first highest salary. And we find out our formula n minus 1. So it means 1 minus 1. It returns 0. So the 0 how it was came, now you understand. No? So 0. And next here I will take a count function I was taking. Here I was taking here what now? Count function. Count of distinct salary. So count of distinct salary, so same as is I'm going to keep in here for comparison purpose. For the count of distinct salary, I'm going to use it. Keep it next. So now this is what we require, guys, here. And finally, here outer query value is, we know that. So what is outer query value? 0. What is outer query value? 0. So now I want to compare now outer query value 0. 0 is equals to inner query value. Because in this, if you want to see, this is your outer query. Outer query where conditional value is 0. And the 0 I want to compare with the inner query. This is inner query now. This is all our inner query. So now I need to compare with the inner query. So in this outer and inner comparison, wherever your value is satisfied, wherever your inner query value is matching with the outer query value, wherever inner query value is matching with outer query value, then that value is going to be returns. Okay, now? So this is what complete query analysis. This is complete query analysis. Okay, now? And now we will start how it was execution will be proceed. So that execution mechanism tomorrow I will tell you guys here. So maybe tomorrow is your last day for this timings. Okay, na? And day after tomorrow onwards, we will be as usual follow it. Okay, na? Right, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.